so much for being here with me this week on another episode. This week, we have a very special guest. The festival guy is here with us. You can find him on Twitter and Facebook and all that. And the really interesting thing about him is that he has kind of made his world to be revolving around festivals, and he's helping make festivals better. He kind of is living, I'm sure, a lot of your dream jobs out there, because he gets to go to festivals all the time and help, review them, and that is his life. So this is a really special episode. It's a long one this time, so stick around. There's a lot of really, really good things at the end, as always, and thank you guys so much for listening. Here we go. So Tucker Gummer, so you started Festivo. That's actually kind of how we met at Shambhala, randomly, sort of.
Right.
And yeah, it's funny. It's funny how paths cross, like all kind of in the same world, but not in the same world. You know what I mean? Because you're always going to festivals. I'm always playing festivals. Yeah,
it's very interesting. I get to be one of those. In the artist world, there's only one of the things about it is you're always around people, but the people are always different. Mm-hmm. I've kind of bridged that gap where I'm one of the faces you're going to see a lot.
You're one of the guys.
So I've literally had some artists finally be like, okay, who are you?
What time do you play?
Right. I get that one a lot, especially because I'm in tiger stripes and
you look the part for sure.
Yeah.
Well, tell us a little bit about Festivo and just how that started, what it is, and everything for people that don't know.
Totally. So, I guess a little before Festivo is I went to my first festivals in 2011 and completely fell in love with the experience. After living in LA for 4 years and kind of struggling to find my crew, suddenly I went to a music festival and everyone I wanted to be friends with was suddenly at one place on vacation together. I was like, oh my God, this is amazing. So for me, the experience really, really stuck out. And I was also right for my first festival being like, hey, why isn't this done better? What are they doing here?
Who's in charge here?
Yeah, I was just like, my first festival, I was already thinking of that stuff. So I made it to a bunch of festivals that summer and then decided that, there was a major difference from one festival to the next, and that, this festival did this right, but failed at this, and this other festival did this right, but failed at this. So I was like, someone needs to review these. And I figured if someone reviewed them, they could probably get free tickets, which is all I really wanted in a lot of people everywhere, right?
Yeah.
So I decided I wanted to review festivals, and I didn't want to just be some guy. So I typed in thefestivalguy.com in GoDaddy, and it was available for $4.
For $4? You paid $4?
In 2012. And I was just awesome. Like, wow, this is hilarious. Can I really call myself the festival guy after going to 1 year of festivals, even though I did 10 of them? Yes, I could. Yeah. So I went ahead and registered it, and I reviewed the festivals from the year before, and I set off, and before I knew it, it's like I made it through 2012 as well.